In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure retry logic in Stripe. To get started, sign in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you're in, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct account, especially if you manage more than one business or environment. This helps you avoid changing billing settings in the wrong place. Next, look to the top right corner of the dashboard and click the Settings gear icon. This is where Stripe keeps the account-level configuration options, including the billing behaviors that control how invoices and payment failures are handled. After that, under Product Settings, click Billing. This section contains the main tools for subscriptions, invoices, and payment collection settings. Since retry logic affects how failed invoice payments are processed, this is the area you'll want to work in. Once you're in billing, open the invoices settings. These settings control the behavior of invoice payment collection and what happens when a customer's payment doesn't go through the first time. If your business relies on recurring payments, this area is especially important because it can directly affect revenue recovery. Now scroll down until you find the Retry section. This is where Stripe lets you define the retry rules for failed payments. Retry logic is useful because temporary payment failures can happen for many reasons, like insufficient funds or a bank site issue, and a second or third attempt may succeed automatically without any manual follow-up. In the Retry section, click Manage, next to the payment method you want to configure, such as card payments. Make sure you're editing the correct payment method, since retry behavior can differ depending on how customers are charged. From here, set how Stripe should retry failed payments. Choose the retry schedule that best fits your business model and customer experience. In general, you'll want a setup that gives customers enough time to resolve temporary issues without letting unpaid invoices sit for too long. Review the available timing and frequency options carefully before moving on. Then choose what should happen if all retry attempts fail. Depending on the options available in your account, you may be able to leave the invoice marked as past due, cancel the subscription, or mark the invoice as uncollectible. This decision is important because it determines how Stripe handles accounts that remain unpaid after all recovery attempts have been exhausted. Once everything looks right, save your changes. It's a good idea to review the settings one more time before leaving the page so you're confident the retry logic matches your billing policy. Thanks for watching.